Kabor Kapatisi TV. ICFA University Meghalaya is now open for admissions for the academic year 2025. Explore our best courses and apply today. Fee concessions are available for domicile students of the state of Meghalaya.
Shibanta Jonkarakhe Yak International Youth Day Kalidikin Kolej Shillong Kalapulong Daka Mega Carnival Hakakat Artrik Unailar Ajapasan. Kamat Pedang Jonkani Kasngi Kalong Local Youth Action for the Sustainable Goals and Beyond. Kabamut Banwanra Kajinkala Hakaperkat Perdan Jonkikun Samla Lingba Kajinkantiu Yakapuli Puthi Kumju Ru Ban Pershan Yakajinglong Teli Kaway Lam Dapat Kamat Yanu Yanuru. Kani kalong ru kajingrakhe yakajinglong Khynnah badap da kabor kabut badap da kijingmut kibathamai bante yakalaway amtang ban syukran da kakatian henry le da kakam da kajing palay mensim la pensyong kun syong sbai yakani kasngi da kidukan syusi kibadap kerhai da kibam kidi paper kiba kinoy shimbenta na kani ka college la penkhere ki jingale kai penbernia babunjat ki kunhun tam ba rendang ban pensyong shit yaki Khynnah Pule. La play yakni ka Mega Carnival da ka principal jong ka college ka Dr. A Shampliang bat la penya da ka student cell ringkat ka jingat relang bat ka NSS bat ka YRC. I convener jong ka student cell I day saki perbot warba. Ila pensyai ba ka ni ka tamasa ka dayru kum shibenta ban penmi pisa by kan show na ka benta ban Ïarap iki Khynnah Pule hakani ka college ki bemkot board ban Siew.
With the spirit of the theme this year, which is the theme of this year of the International Youth Day is Local Youth Action for Sustainable Development. And I'm so proud that the student cell and the collaborators have given our students a platform to showcase their talents and their skills in order to have a sustainable future. I am totally impressed and touched by the thought that the funds that are going to be raised today will go to the BPL fund. It is such a beautiful thought, and so I pray that God will bless us all today for a successful event. And on this note, I officially take this privilege to declare the Mega Carnival open. Let's enjoy and celebrate the day. Thank you all.
Go through the prospectus of the college, you will find one of the objectives of the college is to fulfill the educational needs and requirements of the socially and economically disadvantaged section of the society, particularly the students from the rural areas. In order to be able to achieve this aim, the college provides free education to 6 students every year. And this free education is funded by the governing body of the college. But then, in addition to this free education, because there are many students who are facing problems, finding it difficult to clear the fees, they do come and approach the management to help them with fee concession, to help them in clearing fees because of certain problems at home. So, a few years back, we have created this fund which we call as the BPL fund. Now, from where do we accumulate this fund? From where do we get this fund? This fund is accumulated by the contribution of the teachers of the college, the contribution of the visitors whenever they come to the college. For example, the visitors, when they come for a meeting, when they come as a resource person, they do help in contributing to this fund. But then this fund is not enough. So last year, the student cell had started this kind of a program to generate fund to provide financial support to students who are in need.
degi belong ya ka bahamret ke degi ka he kata dia kan ye layo belang bisa bana kata bisa ayo hundred mo kikina ke layo ban pendak ke Pule joki tingi ai mo yu blay na mata kan dika lat yo banyarap shisha ini kikina bat kumjur namar ba ini ai mo blay namar bang yo ini kinong kersan college ki principal kinong hikai kikina ke bawa cekamat di banyarap ini ba ila ban no senyang lam hakan dika BPL fund dia gani ka BPL fund ke bangi ai manusia mi ai kikina reward ijiat na college limba ka IQAC office ijiat reward kikina kan ki badan kam shisha ni Pule dan kami ini kapisa ban kuliah dia ni kerpat na dinsha na ka sarkar ru syaitan ni kijing Ïarap bagi yo kikina ko scholarship ini andai kani ka scholarship par bun sin kikina kam dak ki namar ba kamwan ha kapwa bagi hapan siyo ka fees dia ka kisham jenjang kikina namar balik hapan siyo ka exam fees hapan siyo college fees dia kani ka BPL fund ka Ïarap hai ni kamda kito kikina ki ba dan shisha da hoi par kalat par siyo kini ki fees
Wat penleno yakni ka kabu ki sopti etho ki babha bat shongdor nadu sa po hajar hadu hundriu po hajar tingka menta phila banyo hagador lai po hajar tingka ya ki sopti etho ba shongdor hinyo po hajar chaneng phinyo tang san po hajar tingka tang kata ka wei ka sopti ka de ka wei ka design tang na ka binta jongpi wan jet nok loi na maulai moro bat na mot pran po no menta hau khandai saw lai hundriu san pra hinyo lai pra